Breaking the tire down. Who needs a tire changer when you got a John Deere backhoe? But anyways, what I've done is I took the outrigger and turned the foot up on its edge, mashed her down, looky there, popped her loose. But on the other side, you'll see in the YouTube short or on TikTok or wherever, and I took this down to there, pushed down that and broke that side down. But anyways, pull the outrigger up, flop the tire over here. I don't know if I can do that one-handed or not. It's sit you up there. All right, I'm about to get her. Right tools would have made it much easier, but I got it. Once you get it started just a tad, about 6 or 8 inches, getting it out, she'll flip right on out. Well, got the wheel ground down. You see, kind of shiny. Got all the loose rust off there. It'll just make things a little easier. And once again, I've laid my hammer down and I don't know where. Do y'all see it anywhere? This one. This is my biggest problem. Why it takes me so friggin' long to do something. Look, I probably put it underneath there. I was just trying to avoid pulling the slate bar out because right there's just a tad bit that I could smack with a hammer. And looky there. There she be. Well, that's back on. Only thing left to do is put it on and air it up. You don't want your tractor tires to overheat. So it's always important that you add coolant to them when necessary. But that's how I had the antifreeze. Yes, it did leak a little bit there, but that's because it's a junk hose.